Welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated here. Unfortunately, I think that I forget just to connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, so that's why we can see the feeds here, but as can you see, we just can enable just open the Google Feed here. So just to turn off to disable the Google Feeds, you should hold for a while one from your screens. That doesn't matter which home this will be, and then just tap here on the right down corner to the settings icon, and here as can you see we got the Google Feed switcher. Just tap here once to turn it off. And now when we just will swipe with our finger here to the right side our screen, as can you see, we can just we just can turn on the Google Feeds. And if you want to just turn it on again, just tap here again on the switcher, and by the same way you can, as can you see, turn on or activate your Google Feeds. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.